Antonio.
Yes.
Look at the view. It is incredible.
It is fantastic. It's called the Tavoliere di Puglia, so the table of Puglia.
I'm going to make a bread salad. What do you think?
It's a fantastic
Yes, you
idea.
do like
I
bread.
like bread.
Here is the bread. It's double-cooked bread. Almost like a biscuit. It's easy. Just put some water on top. You need the bread, you need to drink.
That's wonderful. In summer, people, they take this bread here, squash it, ripe tomato on it, a little bit of olive oil, and you have a taste
See now?
Puglia.
So I start first when I cut the carrot in small strip. That should be enough for now.
Yeah.
And I got celery. But remember celery, I need to keep
The leaves.
the leaves. Make sure you only use the tender part because they're sweet. If you use the very green one, they're bitter. They're not very, very good. So again, cut it in little strip. Then the water is boiling. I need to blanch a little bit. Then I start with red pepper. Okay. So you cut it.
I'm salivating.
And then you make to a little strip again. Got the red and the yellow peppers. Then I go to the shallot, cut it. The onions and then garlic. And I'm gonna strain it because it's almost there. Oh. Now I'm gonna finish off zucchini
Chop, chop, chop. Good.
and aubergines. Just a little bit with a hard skin. Oh, Antonio, the cats, I can hear the cats.
I love it. This whole Gennaro, it is the direct pressing of the olive just brought in.
Go on. It's good.
Yes, the fruit is there. You drink an olive.
I know, it's drink. If you put a little teat on top, you give it to Antonio, he will enjoy it.
I would.
It's good. Let's put them inside here. I'm going to start with anchovies. I'm going to put 2 fillets of anchovies. You see, they're melted away. And then I will have some garlic and shallots and a few olives, okay? Then I go with yellow, red peppers with a courgette. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Now I will add inside the aubergines, the carrots, and the celery. A bit of salt.
Not too much.
Not too much, you're right. Because this is the anchovies. Little time, strip it, and then I will start with 1 tablespoon of sugar. And now I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of vinegar.
Wow.
Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. And let it reduce a bit. The sugar and the vinegar, they become almost like a syrup.
Yeah.
Here, fresh basil. I do not cut it, but I break it. But I will roughly chop the celery. And by now, the bread
Breaks very easily.
break is very easy, but it still stays in one piece. It still has got a little bit al dente, the crunchiness, which is
I
fantastic.
can already imagine.
Go on, just go
Come on, come on, come on.
And just for you, but also for me,
Lovely.
I will put a few
Anchovies.
anchovies.
That's beautiful. Ah.
And just tell me. Go on, come on.
Delightful.
Yeah.